guys, so it is a little after 3 o'clock, and as I knew this would happen, Sunday's not gone the way I'd planned. Not in a bad way, just we tend to go out to lunch when I'm like, we should probably go home. But you know what? It's fine. We're gonna get everything done. So on today's agenda, I need to meal plan, grocery shop, and tidy up the house, which the house isn't bad, so it won't take me that long. But those are the things that I want to get done today. I also have a sticker order that I'd like to get done just so it can go in the mail first thing tomorrow. And tomorrow I have a lot of filming to do, so I don't want to have to worry about working on an order, because tomorrow is like the first day of my like themed week kind of thing, where I'm like theming out my days. So like Monday's gonna be all YouTube, Tuesday's gonna be Sticky Situations Co, Wednesday's gonna be my new shop, and Thursday, Friday will just be like whatever I didn't get done in those 3 days. Because of that, I don't want to have to do it tomorrow, so we're gonna get it done today. So that is what we're doing, and I'm waving around my tripod. But anyway, all right, let's get it done. Clearly, James and Dixie are just not gonna help me. Dixie, are you happy that James is home? I actually need to do all the things before I sit on that couch, because if I sit on that couch, I'll just never get back up. Okay, to share with you guys what we have to do, we have like all of this stuff that needs to go to the recycling. I need to tidy up like the shoes. Dixie's got some toys out. We need to put away our dinosaur onesies and this stuff. Vacuum again, even though I literally just vacuumed yesterday, but like look, such a mess. Such a mess. In here, I just need to do a little bit of tidying up. Nothing too crazy. In here, we need to take the trash out, and I need to run the dishwasher because I put half of these spice jars in there, and I'm gonna wash half of them and then reload the dishwasher and wash the other half, and then wash all the lids by hand, because that's one of the things I'm filming tomorrow. I'm filming the spice drawer organization video. So I definitely need to work on that, get that taken care of. But other than that, the kitchen's not really bad. It just looks bad because it's small. Hi. Hi. In here, we really just need to make the bed. And then the bathroom, I just want to like wipe it down. I'm not going to do like a deep clean. And then also like move my stuff that I had out this morning. So it's really not that bad. This will definitely be a shorter Sunday reset routine, because like I said, there's not a ton of stuff to do, but we definitely need to grocery shop and meal plan and all that fun stuff. So I'm gonna go ahead and sit down and make a list for meals, and then we will go grocery shopping, and I'm gonna do a grocery haul in this video. So yeah, let's get it done. I have made the grocery list. So I have been using the, what app is this? The Reminders app. And I've just been making the grocery list in here. And then that way, as we get it in the store, I can just click it and it disappears from my list, instead of taking like paper and everything in there. So that's just kind of what I've been doing lately. That's been working for me. So this week on the menu, we have smoothies for breakfast, because you know, we're obsessed with smoothies. We also have the tuna stuffed peppers that I've been having for lunch. I'm gonna have that for lunch again because I'm obsessed. And James is just gonna have like peanut butter and jelly sandwiches, because I think he's going into the office a couple days this week anyways. So he's doing that. And then we have stuff from our last grocery run for beef stew, which I'm gonna put in the crock pot tonight, so that way it'll be done and we can have it, we can just warm it up tomorrow and have it for dinner tomorrow, and then maybe Tuesday, depending on our like how much we have left over. And then for the other meal, we're gonna have chili, and we'll have leftovers from that, so we'll obviously eat that like a couple nights in a row. And then Friday, we are hanging out with friends, so I don't really know if we're going there or they're coming here, so I haven't figured that out yet. But if we need to, we can just run to the grocery store and get a few things, you know. And then Saturday, James has friends coming over, and again, I don't know if they're gonna have dinner or what the situation is with that. And then Sunday, we are going to visit my family. So yeah, there's that. That is what's going on. So we didn't like plan a lot this week, which is kind of nice. And yeah, so I'm gonna take this grocery list, I'm gonna go to the grocery store, we're gonna get the groceries and then obviously come back and I will share with you guys what we got at the grocery store. All right, we are back from the grocery store, so I'm gonna show you guys a real quick healthy grocery haul. Like I said, this is mainly just for the week and not Saturday, and no dinner for Friday. So it's actually very small, but totally fine. So let's just jump right into it. So first thing we have here is some tomato paste. This is for our chili. The recipe calls for tomato sauce. I've tried it both ways and we prefer it with the tomato paste. It's just thicker and it's really nice. Then we have some ground beef for our chili, some carrots for the chili, peppers for the chili, celeries for the chili. There's a, what is this, a jalapeno for the chili. We have avocados for the chili. I think that's everything for the chili. Anyway, then we have some collagen peptides. We put this in our smoothies for breakfast. I have some more Primal Kitchen mayo because that's how I make like the tuna salad for the peppers. We have crushed and diced tomatoes for the chili. We have bananas, acai, strawberries for our smoothies, peppers for my lunch for the tuna stuffed pepper, you know, that thing. We've got some more coconut milk. You guys know that I really like that in like my morning coffee or tea. We have some rice vinegar. This is for the tuna salad. I'm almost out, so I picked up some more. Some bread for James because he's taking peanut butter and jelly sandwiches. Some peanut butter, that's just peanuts for my smoothies. I know peanuts are not paleo, but you know, we're not trying to be 100% as I often say, and it's just more removing sugar and like other things. But peanuts don't bother me and I love peanut butter and I really just only have this in my smoothie, so it's fine. Then we have an onion. We have cucumbers. Last week I forgot to buy cucumbers for the tuna stuffed peppers, so I didn't have any. So I remembered this week to pick them up. We have 2 boxes of the Simple Mills almond flour crackers. These are the fine ground sea salt ones and we like these with our chili. And then bubbly was like buy one get one, so we got the strawberry bubbly and then I got this citrus cherry. Just sounded really good. It's the caffeine version, but I don't really mind. So yeah, that's everything for our grocery run, grocery haul for the week. Now I'm gonna go ahead and put all of this up and then guys, I'm currently working on stickers. I'm just using this one machine today because my other one, I think I need to change the blade. So anyway, I only have a few sheets to cut, so it's not that big of a deal. So while that's been going on, I've just been trying to like tidy. You guys saw me load the dishwasher, or the whatever that thing is, the washing machine. And then I have the dishwasher going, and as soon as it's done, I'm gonna empty and reload with like the few dishes in the sink and the rest of the spice jars. And then James is gonna come take out the trash, so that'll be good. In here, I have made the bed. The floor is all tidy. I just vacuumed yesterday, so I don't really feel like I need to vacuum again in here, but definitely in the living room I need to vacuum again because we track in leaves like crazy. The bathroom is not really that bad. I put away a few things and I just kind of like wiped the counter a little bit, so we're good there. So really the only thing I have left is the living room. James is bringing all that stuff in. He's been outside working. We had a tree fall in our backyard like a month ago, and he's just now getting to like do stuff with it. So anyway, I left his computer on the couch because I know that I can put it away, but it'll come right back out the minute that he sits down on the couch, because he's been working a lot on his video game, and he also has, I think, some work related stuff he's got to do as well. So I left that there, as well as my stuff, because I know that I'm also probably gonna edit yesterday's video and do some of that work just to prep for the week, and that's all part of a reset routine, is to get ready for the week. Then we have someone over here that just loves cuddling on pillows. I have my heating pad out, because again, it's one of those things that like the minute I sit down I'm gonna probably use. So yeah. Then we have all of those cardboard boxes, which when James takes the trash out, he's gonna take that to the recycling. So really the only thing I have left is just to finish cutting this order and then tidy this room. It's not bad, it won't take that long, but I definitely need to do this. So yeah. Alright guys, little update. You guys saw James vacuuming, so we vacuumed the living room. It feels so nice in here, but really empty without Christmas, but that's okay. And then I imported the footage from yesterday's video, so I went ahead and did that. James did a little bit of stuff on his computer. I finished the sticker order. It's right there to go to the mailbox in the morning. I tidied up this area. It's still not perfect, but you know what? It is what it is. And then I also just unloaded and reloaded the dishwasher. Now I just have to wash all the lids and that container, and I guess James's water bottle thing.
Doesn't need to be washed.
Oh, okay, it doesn't need to be washed.
I don't know why it's sitting there instead of with my work stuff.
I don't know. James is boiling some water. We're gonna have some butternut squash ravioli, which is like my new favorite like pasta dish. Seriously, if you have not checked it out, here's the brand. We get ours on Whole Foods, on like the website. We get it delivered, that's what I'm trying to say. And it really bothers me when they're out of stock of it, but this stuff is so good. If you can't have dairy or you want like just a healthier alternative, this is so good. So it's made with almond flour. It's like an almond flour pasta, which is what I really love about it. They do have it with like cheese, but because I'm trying to be like no dairy, I have not tried their cheese ravioli, but their butternut squash ravioli is really good. Like honestly, I didn't think that I would like it because I didn't think I was a big fan of butternut squash, but this is really good. We pair it with the Primal Kitchen roasted garlic avocado oil marinara sauce. That's a lot. Anyway, we used this last week for butternut squash ravioli actually. So I'm gonna head and take this out. So that's gonna be our dinner. Super simple, easy dinner. And yeah, so we're gonna do that. I think the laundry's done, so I'm gonna put it in the dryer. How's your day been?
Good.
Good?
Good.
Good. I moved all the clean spice jars over here, so that way tomorrow I can do that project. That'll be fun. All right, let's go put the clothes in the dryer. Alright you guys, so I don't even know when the last time I vlogged was, honestly. I worked on the video for tomorrow. I got that completely done. The clothes are in the dryer, they're done. I didn't fold them because we can't just do everything today. Well, we could, but I'm just not feeling it. So anyway, I'm gonna wrap up this vlog here. I hope you guys enjoyed seeing like our Sunday. I felt like it was just kind of jumbled, but I also feel like every Sunday is kind of jumbled because we go to church and then we do spend time with family, and then it's like, oh, but I need to clean and meal plan and grocery shop and laundry and all the things. That is gonna wrap up today's Sunday reset video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.